Revised date sheet for first semester CBCS regular and private candidates of Winter Zone of Jammu University. You can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest videos from our YouTube channel. Hello everybody, this is Danish Rafiq and in this video we'll talk about the revised date sheet for semester first regular and private candidates of Jammu University. The timing for all the papers shall be 10 am and the first paper shall be conducted on 16th of February 2021. It will be History, Psychology and Home Science for Arts and BA English Honours. The second paper shall be conducted on 18th of February 2021 and it will be Environmental Science for all the streams. Third paper shall be conducted on 20th of February 2021. It will be Philosophy, Computer Application for BA and same for BA English Honours. Geology, Computer Application, Food Science and Quality Control, Fundamentals of Clothing, Construction and Care will be conducted for Science including Home Science group of subjects. The fourth paper shall be conducted on 23rd of February 2021. It will be Education and Marketing Management for BA and Poetry for BA English Honours, Botany, Physics, Basic Psychology and Fundamentals of Human Nutrition for Science including Home Science, Financial Accounting for BCom and BCom Honours, Fundamentals of Management for BBA, Computer Fundamentals for BCA. Fifth paper shall be conducted on 25th of February 2021 and it will be Sociology, Mathematics, Applied Mathematics, English Literature, Business Management, Hindi Literature, Library Science for Arts, Social Science, BA and BA Hindi Honours, Sociology for BA English Honours, Zoology, Mathematics and Mathematics for Science including Home Science, Business Organization and Management, Business Organization and Management for BCom Honours and BCom, Statistics for Business for BBA and Mathematics for BCA. The sixth paper shall be conducted on 2nd of March 2021. It will be Political Science, Statistics, Indian Music and Public Administration for BA and Political Science for BA, Political Science Honours, Statistics, Biotechnology, Fundamentals of Family Resource Management for Science including Home Science, nothing for BCom, BCom Honours and BBA. Seventh paper shall be conducted on Thursday 4th of March 2021. It will be Functional English Islamic Studies for BA and nothing for BA English Honours, Chemistry and Functional English for Science including Home Science. Eighth paper shall be conducted on 6th of March 2021. It will be Hindi Sahitya Ka Itihas for BA, Political for BA English, Political Science Honours, nothing for other streams. It will be conducted on 9th of March 2021 and it will be Economics, Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian and Kashmiri for Arts including BA Hindi Honours and Economics for BA English, Political Science, Psychology Honours, nothing for other streams. 10th paper shall be conducted on 12th of March 2021. It will be Communication English, Communication Urdu, Hindi, Dogri and Punjabi for BA and Communication English for BA English, Political Science and History Honours, Communication English and other honours subjects for Science including Home Science and same for other streams. 11th paper shall be conducted on 15th of March 2021. It will be General English, Modern Indian Languages, Hindi, Urdu, Dogri and Punjabi for BA and Drama for BA English, Political Science and Psychology Honours, General English, Modern Indian Languages, Hindi, Urdu, Dogri, Punjabi for Science including Home Science and same for other subjects. 12th paper shall be conducted on 17th of March 2021. It will be Geography for BA and Introduction of Psychology for BA, Psychology Honours, Geography, Electronics, Industrial and Fisheries for Science including For more educational, social, political, administrative, economic, cultural, regional and national updates, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest videos from our YouTube channel. Thank you.